Welcome! In front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 5, and in this video I will show you how to download Google Chrome on this laptop. So to do this, open your default browser, for example Edge browser, then open your search engine and look up Google Chrome download. Then open the official Google website. Scroll down until you see Download Chrome icon. Click on it and wait until the installer file downloads. Now open it, click Yes. Then wait until the download and installation is complete. At this point you can close the browser and in a while the Google Chrome icon will appear on your home screen. You can choose to sign in to your Chrome browser, but you don't have to. You can just click Don't sign in. If you want to set it as a default browser right now, click right here. You can always do it later. Otherwise, click Skip. Then if you want to turn on an Add Privacy feature, you can turn it on by clicking right here, or refuse by saying no thanks. Then click Got it. And right now you are free to use your brand new Google Chrome web browser. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.